In this video, I will guide you on how to change language on Walmart app. First, launch open the Walmart app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you want to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and find the option of language settings. Go ahead and select that. Now here it says you can change your preferred language to use with Walmart app at any time in your device's system settings. So tap on the Go to System Settings option. Or you can directly open your device settings, then scroll down. Tap on General Management. Here select Language. Now go ahead and tap on Add Language. Select your preferred language from here. After that, you want to tap on the Apply option. Once the language on your device has been changed, you want to close the Walmart app and then open it. Now the language on Walmart should also be changed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.